welcome back to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's in the August Simply Earth recipe box. So in your first month and then every 6 months after that you will get this box. It is called the Big Bonus Box, and your recipe box will be inside this. So this is the recipe box, and this is what you will get months 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is the big bonus box that comes in addition to, and it's just extra things that you'll need to make your recipes, and it has containers, like empty bottles. Let me show you. Empty bottles to make your diffuser blends, and then it has a set of roller bottles, which you'll make your rollers, obviously. You get beeswax in the big bonus box, coconut oil, solid coconut oil, to make balms, salves, and things like that. And then you'll also get fractionated coconut oil and almond oil, which is used in most of the roller recipes or skincare DIYs and things like that. So this is the big bonus. I do have some of this in a giveaway coming soon on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there to get in on that. But this is the August recipe box. So this is what you'll get if you're a subscriber, and this month's theme is candle making, and I'm really excited because I'm going to share soon towards the end of this month, August, they have a new candle making kit coming out, and it is similar. Well, this is what it is. This is what comes in the kit, but it's a lot bigger, and I'm excited to share that too. But this is the box this month. I'll share the share the oils and then the recipes, and then I'll make a recipe too. The first oil is red thyme, and I hope this is focusing on the oil. I'm using a newer setup today. Red thyme is from the herb of Thymus vulgaris, and this one's from Spain. It's spicy and herbaceous. What does this remind me of? Maybe just thyme, but it's kind of like in the same family as maybe tea tree. It is very spicy and herbaceous. I don't get spicy, but it is herbaceous. Next is pink grapefruit. I feel like everyone knows what this one smells like. Bright, sweet, citrusy, fresh. I love citrus oils. Citrus oils are cold pressed from the peel of each, whether it's lime, lemon, bergamot, orange, all of the citrus, tangerine. Camphor is next. And this one is from the wood and bark of the plant, and the name of the plant is Cinnamomum camophora. This is penetrating and fresh, and from China. Penetrating is a different word, or a word that I haven't heard describe an essential oil yet, but it is very much like eucalyptus. It's super fresh. Okay, yeah, that would be the description. Okay, and then the next you get a blend. So this is the blend Bug Fighter, which I feel like, here's my thoughts on this box. I feel like they should have put this in like June or July and made some of these like buggy type of recipes in earlier, whereas this is candle making and then you're getting Bug Fighter. So I'm just a little like, well, this is patchouli, cedarwood, and lemongrass. So it's not like this is a super like smells like bug spray, like the off spray. It does, like, that's a super good blend. The lemongrass is a little strong in it, but it's not like a super bad smelling. You could make a candle, I guess, out of this blend. I don't know. I was just like, I thought for a candle theme, you would get more of the fall type of good smelling fall candle oils. You get DIY candle kit, 2 of these. So in the kit coming soon, you get a big bag of this, and it comes with everything you need. It's so easy to make a candle. I can't wait to show you. But in this box, you also get floating candle wicks. This is the it's just like a popsicle stick with holes in it. You use it to set on top of a candle jar to center your wicks if you're using 1 or 2 wicks. And then you also get stickers always to label all of your things. And then 6 recipes. Why do I always forget? 6 recipes. And then they also have a box on their website you can buy to kind of hold all of them nicely. This first one is Camp Out Candle. This is the camphor, grapefruit, and then the candle making kit. So you're going to make a candle, obviously, probably for keeping bugs away. Take the wick. So with this kit, you just melt this in the microwave and stir it, and then let it cool for just a second. Add your oils, if I'm not mistaken. Remove wick and wick starter. So I'll just show you. This has everything in it. Super handy, convenient, couldn't be easier to make a candle. So, and then in this is just natural soy wax. So it's clean. Whoops, trying not to spill all the wax. But in here are the wicks and then a little sticker to stick your wick to the bottom of your jar. And then this is used to like center your wick in the jar. And then these are this is just the soy, hopefully you can see, I can't really show you. Looks like coconut, but it's soy wax. So you just melt this in the bag. Hopefully it stands up better, yeah. And then make your candle, pour it into a jar. Super easy. So that was a recipe for a candle. This recipe is bug off lotion bar. Whoops. So are there ingredients in here? So what do you use? Almond oil, beeswax. So you'll use what comes in your big bonus. And then the Bug Fighter essential oil blend. And then you'll need a soap mold or a cupcake tin lined. We have a bunch of those silicone molds, so you can just use one. We've gotten them in this box before, so if you're a subscriber, you should have one already. But that sounds super easy. You just melt some ingredients. A lot of these recipes are basically melt some things together, add some oils, or just mix a bunch of things in a jar. So a lot of these, or most of these recipes are really easy. Peaceful patio candle. This is more of the bug away candle. So you're gonna use the Bug Fighter grapefruit and then pour the oil mixture onto the water. So this peaceful patio candle is the floating candle. And that's why you get the floating candle wicks, citrus candle, grapefruit, and you're gonna use the kit for that candle, Summer Nights diffuser blend, and then tiki torch roll on, which is the Bug Fighter grapefruit and camphor. So that one I'm assuming is going to help keep the bugs away. So which recipe should we make? Let's do the tiki torch roll on blend. So you will need a roller, and these are just empty roller bottles. This roller top just comes off so you can fill it. And then you fill this first with the essential oil and then to the top with fractionated coconut oil. And these recipes are formulated by a certified aromatherapist, and so they are diluted properly and safely. You get the label and put that on first. So this one here is the label for the roll-on. And then you just slap it on your bottle, maybe so you can see. There we go. And it is 2 drops Bug Fighter. Give this one a shake or a swirl because it is a blend. So 2 drops of this one. Oops, that was 3, it's okay. 2 drops grapefruit and 1 drop camphor. I don't know why I'm saying that weird. I think camphor smells really good. It is just like eucalyptus. And this is my older, almost empty bottle of the fractionated coconut oil that you get in your big bonus. So we're just gonna fill it to the top with this. You can also use almond oil if you want to. Just any carrier oil. I keep planning to do carrier oil videos because there are so many that are underused and not talked about. And there's so many different options. Everyone always just uses coconut oil. So I want to do that video soon because carrier oils in themselves have a lot of good benefits too. A funnel would have been easier. Put the roller top back on and then the other lid. Give this one a shake or a swirl. And then with these type of rollers, so I do get the question like, where do I put my roller? It just depends on what you're using it for or made it for. This one's gonna help with bugs and keeping them away. So you're gonna put them on your ankles, the back of your neck, wrists, wherever you feel like you're getting bug bites. So this company also gives 13% back to help end human trafficking. The value of this box is $118, and the price of it is $45. So each month it's $45. With my code, you get a $45 coupon or a gift card, back to use on future purchases. So it's like you're getting your money back to use at Simply Earth anyway. So it's just really worth trying out. But this box is for people who like to use essential oils but don't really know too much about them and want to just make stuff but not think about it. They make it super easy and give you seasonal recipes to use each month. When you subscribe, you also get access to their free essential oils, or it's not free, but you get access to it. It's an Essential Oils Heroes course, which is like a 101, which will help you learn even more and just give you the confidence to use your oils intentionally. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what questions you have, and the link to shop will be down below. Have a good day. Bye.